Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna start my night routine here because this is kind of where the afternoon starts for me. I just got out of class, it's around like 3:15, and now I'm in the carpool line for the little girl I nanny for. I nanny to survive, but mostly to buy makeup products. So, I drive her to swimming, so I nanny for about 3 hours in the afternoon, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all. I'm not complaining. But this is a glamorous process. Just sat here in my cute little 2012 Subaru, and this woman with a radio is coming at me very quickly to yell for the kids at carpool, which is cute. Guys, the carpool monitor is the mom of one of like my awkward middle school ex-friends, and she was like, "Do you still talk to my daughter?" And I'm like, "No, because she's a bitch." That was a lot. Okay, just thought I'd update you. Hated that. Hated that. Why are moms in their $80,000 Escalades so aggressive with their driving? Like, I'm sorry, but slow down, Karen. If you're wondering why my makeup looks horrible, at 5:07, it is 98 degrees outside. What the hell? Hey guys, how's it going? It's 7 o'clock right now. The sun should be setting relatively soon. People are staring at me, but I am going to get some dinner. I'm meeting a friend at a restaurant downtown, so that should be really fun. She's not here yet, but I'm gonna head in and eat all the bread on the table because... Okay guys, top secret update. The waiter's kind of low-key hot and was flirting with me. And I think he's literally just watching me say that. Help. Alright guys, I just got home. It's, what time is it? I just plugged in my phone. We're here to charge. I'm so tired. It's 8:30 right now. Sorry, this camera's really heavy. I'm so out of shape. Okay. Let me prop you up somewhere. We're gonna take September Vogue and prop you up. Okay guys, this is a really bad angle, but I just opened some boxes that came for me. I ordered some stuff from MAC. I got a Fix Plus because I was running low. They were having a 25% off sale. And then I picked up the Painterly Paint Pot because I actually haven't tried this and it was on their homepage. But look at how dark that is. Like for me, like this is definitely not my skin tone. Like it's quite dark. So I don't know how well this will work for me, but I'll let you know. People say it's an amazing eye base, but like I can definitely use this on other people. Which I think I'm going to start doing a lot of again. So then from Glossier, Julia, I believe you say her last name Mazzucato? I don't know. Her name Julia. I'll link her down below. She definitely doesn't need me to link her. She's very successful. But she was talking about some products from Glossier, and I love Glossier, so I thought I would try these out. Cloud Paint I got. I've tried some of the cloud paints, but not this color, and she used this in a video. And I really want to try this one out. This is in the color Storm. It looked really dark. I would have normally never purchased this color. I have the color Puff, I think, which is like the really light pink one. Oh, I used a ton of it. I forget how quickly that comes out. The other thing that I got that I'm actually really excited for is this Glossier Play Night Shine. And this is in the shade, I don't know. This is like a condom wrapper. Seems unnecessary, but okay. I've never actually gotten anything from Glossier Play. Okay, here it is. It's this cute little nail polish bottle almost. This doesn't say what the shade is either. Pale Pearl. Guys, this is like science. Oh, this is anticlimactic. Oh, that's really reflective. Okay, and then I got a brow pen. I just saw this on their website and wanted to try it. This is like a liquid marker. It reminds me of the Urban Decay brow product that they have, but this is in brown. I think this is supposed to be like really delicate, so I'll try this out tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. But that's my shitty little Glossier haul. This is obviously what happens to me when I spend too much time at school. Oh my god, look at how shitty my makeup looks right now. Guys, it was so hot today. Like, let's not judge my makeup skills at this moment because it was so hot. Hey Tay, if you're ever wondering what this wall looks like, it's mostly Taylor. Yeah, so I normally do this as soon as I get home from, you know, doing a lot of stuff. I definitely like to take off my makeup and get out of my clothes. So actually the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to walk back into this room and I'm actually going to get into my pajamas because I feel I'm wearing a strapless bra, which is like not a good thing to wear on, you know, 100-degree day outside. Okay, let me put you down. I'm like, as we found out today, I am the worst vlogger in the history of vloggers. Let me turn on the light. Okay, first step is we gotta get into our mother effing pajamas. Okay, the first step for me is gonna be some boxer shorts. These are just men's boxers. And then we're gonna get a super oversized t-shirt. I'll show you the finished look in a second, okay? Okay guys, this is my sexy outfit. This says Vanderbilt Dad on it. Because while I don't go to Vanderbilt, and I also don't have any children, I am a Vanderbilt dad. Something I'm very proud of. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Why is everything in my life so poorly thought out? Honestly, like, god damn it, Charlotte. Why do you suck so bad? Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. I have an alfalfa. But you know what? She's gonna stay because she hasn't hurt anyone. First product I'm gonna use is the same as what I used in my night routine last year, which is a Clean It Zero cleansing balm by Vanilla & Co. I think this is a Korean brand, but they sell this in Riley Rose if you don't want to support Amazon. Okay, we're gonna take a bunch of this balm and rub it on your face. After our first cleanse, we're gonna go in with another cleanser. This is my favorite. This is the best number 9 jelly cleanser by Drunk Elephant. This is really good at dissolving leftover makeup that your other cleanser doesn't get. Oh, this is so good. It's very expensive for what it is, but I just can't, it's so gentle. I can't seem to not use this one. I just love it so much. So much. I'm sorry this video isn't very aesthetically pleasing. It's just not. So we're just gonna put everything away. And then I'm gonna reach for my favorite serum, which is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This is an AHA BHA, which I recommend if you haven't hopped on that train. It doesn't have to be this one. If you haven't started exfoliating chemically with an AHA or BHA, what are you doing? And then, oh, all of what I do on my skin is cleared by my dermatologist because I had very, very, very bad breakouts last year. One thing my dermatologist swears by is Differin. You see these commercials on TV and she's like, I don't go outside because of my acne, but now I'm able to live a healthy life. But I just take a little bit of this and just go over my really just hormone center area where I tend to get breakouts. My T-zone and just right here, I get the worst breakouts. But things are pretty tame now. That is all I do with my skin, honestly. That's it. My dermatologist told me not to moisturize at night. Seems weird, seems sacrilegious. I do it in the morning, but I don't know. I just don't moisturize at night anymore. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth now. Okay guys, I put my glasses on. Something you might not know about me is that I am actually pretty much legally blind. Which is not funny, it's not. I'm very blind and I can't see and probably shouldn't drive. But it's something I have to live with. Poor me. I actually did used to get bullied a lot for my glasses. It made me a very unhappy child, which I think snowballed into my unhappiness as an adult. So, genetics, I blame you for literally everything in my life. And it's not bad anymore, honestly. The invention of contacts has made me a semi-competent human being in society. So, thank you for whoever did that. The inventor of contacts, thank you. So at this point in the night, I go downstairs and play with my dog and usually watch some TV. It's 9 o'clock now. Oh, this like HD really isn't doing my skin a lot of good. This is the most dysfunctional, horrible nighttime routine I have ever seen. Okay, bye. I'll see you after I watch some trash TV. Probably say yes to the dress. Definitely say yes to the dress. I'm saying yes to watching Say Yes to the Dress. Alright, so I'm downstairs watching TV. Little Louie has had quite the day. Louie's my dog. He went on a hunger strike about Monday. He's been slowly eating less and less of his food for about a month. But on Monday, he just straight up stopped eating, so I had to give him a lot of treats and peanut butter just until I could get him to see the vet. And I took him to see the vet today. And he is fine, but when they're that small, we had to take him to the vet. He had to get a bunch of fluids in his little hump in his back. And so I feel bad because he doesn't like needles, and he had, you know, some fluids put in, and now he gets some yummy wet food because he's a diva. And look at this other diva. Look at him. That's Nelson. Nelson's technically my parents' dog, but like, what a cutie. Am I right? You're okay, Louie. Yeah, you're okay, right? Tell them you're okay. You're okay? Oh, yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine, sweetie. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. You said I'm just being a diva. I didn't like my dumb food you made me eat. I didn't like it. She's being a dramatic son. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. And we're gonna go outside on a little bit of a walk to see if he wants to poop. He probably doesn't, but we gotta give him that option because it's all about Louie's right to poop. Yeah? Oh, he's such a good cuddle. Oh. You like looking at yourself? Look at him, he's such a camera hog. Yeah? Yeah. I know, you're tired. Let's go. Around 10:30, we both go to bed. Louie just jumped off the bed because he does this. He jumps off the bed, then he cries to get back on the bed. It's a whole thing. But anyway, at around 10:30, I go to bed. Louie eventually goes to bed, probably closer to 11. He takes a while to like settle down. I do some light journaling before bed. I find it's very, very helpful. It's beneficial to like my mind state to do some journaling. But the beauty products that I use right before bed are my Laneige lip balm. This is phenomenal. This is in the vanilla. And then I have a nail oil that I put on my cuticles and my nails. I actually got this from a Simply Nailogical tutorial. Anyway, those are what I use right before bed. Sorry, I'm watching Louie jingle around. Yes, this was a very disorganized video. It's definitely not aesthetically pleasing at all, but that's kind of more realistic to my life. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and as always, please put suggestions for new videos down below. And I hope you had an amazing day. And just awesome. Yeah, treat people with kindness. And be nice to people. Okay, good night. I'm obviously very tired.